Meistersingerhalle, Nuremberg opened its doors hosting this year's Bayern Innovativ MedTech SUMMIT. The organizers are quoted, "More than ever, the realization of innovations in the healthcare industry requires networked thinking and working across disciplines. The international conference focused on the transfer from idea to innovation and sets accents in the fields of robotics, biomaterials, as well as digitization and artificial intelligence. The wide range of topics opens up a variety of opportunities for all actors along the entire value chain to discuss current trends and challenges." Medtech LIVE Innovation Expo featured a variety of industry partners exhibiting the latest technologies and services. GBN Systems launched its brand new philosophy, Visions, Products, Solved, and claimed speaker slots, having COO Mike Selmeier addressing the highly profiled experts audience. GBN Systems, performing mechatronics made in Bavaria.